Hindi na ako makakahanap ng ganitong kwarto. Komportable at maganda.
Sorry to leave you. Please don't hold me now for us. We need a little time away, but still I miss you. I miss you.
Ma'am, maraming salamat. Napakabuti niyo pong tao. Ayokong ako pang maging dahilan para mag-alala kayo. Sir, maraming salamat po sa lahat.